Hi everybody, today we're going to take a look at some of your examples for the estimating costs activity that we did yesterday. So many of you did such a great job on that, and I was actually really impressed. There's a lot of combinations of items you can buy that will stay under $100. I'm just going to show you 3 examples today, but tons of you had really great examples. Let's look first at Shakur's example. Shakur bought the headphones, the radio, and the cell phone. He said for his example, 50 plus 20 equals 70. That was his phone and the headphones, which makes sense because the phone was 48, so he rounded that to 50, and the headphones were 18, so he rounded that to 20, and that equaled 70. And then he looked for something that was going to round to about $30, so he chose the radio, which was 32, and he even said phone plus headphone, and then I added the radio. Simple and accurate. Great job, Shakur. Let's take a look at Chris's. Chris chose the radio for 32, the remote control car for 58, and the calculator for 6. And he even told us right away, I solved it by doing a ballpark estimate. Look how easy and organized this is to understand. He's got his prices up above and then his ballpark estimate down below. It's so easy for me to understand what he did. He rounded 58 to 60, 32 to 30, and then he just left 6 as 6 because if he knew that 60 and 30 was 90, 6 more makes 96. Great job, Chris. And then let's go ahead and look at Emmett's. Emmett was one of the only people who chose to do 4 items. And at first when I noticed that he'd done 4, in my head I was thinking, uh-oh, is that gonna be too much? But he did a fantastic job of rounding these, using a ballpark estimate and staying under $100. So he looked at the phone for $48, the radio for $32, the CD for $11, and the calculator for $6. And here's how he explained it. 48 rounded to 50. 32 rounded to 30 to equal 80, meaning that 50 and the 30 go together to make 80. So right now he knows he's at 80. And then look what he says. I had $20 more left. So if he was at 80, he knew he had $20 left. So he looked for items that would equal around $20. I said I rounded 11 down to 10. That was the CD. And 6 up to 10, and that equaled 20. And 80 and 20 equals 100. Great job to Emmett. These were just 3 examples. So many of you did fantastic examples. Attached to this today is just a bunch of problems to practice doing your ballpark estimates. And then with tomorrow's video, we're gonna have a new poster of items for you to choose from and get some more practice doing this exact same kind of activity. Great job, everybody.